Are you tired of spending so much time and money unsuccessfully trying out various weight loss systems? Fed up of following strict diets and intense workout sessions? Well, here's an interesting system which seems rather easy to follow and implement to lose weight. Click the link in the description below this video for details. The Erotic Weight Loss System developed by Olivia Strait is unlike other fat diets as it's an easygoing system. You just have to adopt a regular workout routine and you start losing weight in a short span of time. Unlike other weight loss fads, you don't need to have a pile of cash to lose weight with this program. All you need is a minimal investment of time and effort, and you can slowly but surely see a transformation in your body and life. The Erotic Weight Loss System is a simple ebook which has everything required for you to start a regular workout routine and health regimen and lose as much as 100 pounds. The system is an easy 3-step erotic technique which anyone can relate to and follow. The name itself is interesting, and the word erotic is used here because an erotic fruit plays an important part in the system. This fruit is the first part of the program which, when consumed, increases your body metabolism to promote fat synthesis so that you start losing weight. The second part of the system involves your sleeping naked through the night to lower a compound which prevents weight loss. The third step involves your adopting a normal workout routine. The program explains the science involved in helping you lose weight to help you get your desired body. The program offers step-by-step information to make you feel comfortable while slimming down and getting fit. You actually learn how to rejuvenate your body, lose weight and get rid of body toxins without following any strict diet and exercise regimen or take pills or supplements. The system also helps keep weight off naturally for optimal and improved health. The program includes a daily guide, full schedule and calendar which teaches you how to quickly use these powerful ingredients and daily meals to lose weight and restore your health. There are no supplements to take, no dreadful workouts to follow, no expensive diet products to buy and no weird diet plans to follow. You don't even need any motivation to follow the program, as it is so simple to follow. Any male or woman of any age and body type can follow it. Olivia Strait teaches you how you can quickly lose weight by following the structured formula in the nutrition guide, and eat more of foods you enjoy for improved health. Click the link in the description below this video for details.